The legal battle involving the death of a prominent Albuquerque attorney keeps dragging on. Mary Hahn's family sued the city of Albuquerque and top members of the police department and lost. Now the city wants them to pay back thousands of taxpayer dollars. Target 7's Nancy Laughlin explains why some city councilors aren't happy about it.
She died 4 years ago. Her death unexpected, tragic. But attorney Mary Hahn's name is still being heard around courtrooms. And last night, City Hall.
The city entertaining the thought of suing the Hahn family.
The latest court records in this case show attorneys for the city of Albuquerque have filed a motion to get legal fees recouped from Mary Hahn's family to the tune of $63,000. In 2010, Hahn's body was found in her car and the garage of her North Valley home. The autopsy report showed her cause of death was suicide from carbon monoxide poisoning. Her family suspected otherwise and sued the city, claiming Hahn's civil rights were violated, that among other things, way too many officers were at the death scene of the woman who filed multiple lawsuits against APD. But last month, in every claim, a federal judge ruled in favor of the city, saying the allegations were unfounded. Now the city is fighting to get thousands of dollars taxpayers spent in legal fees back.
And I just find this egregious that we would be doing this to a family that suffered already. And it's not settled yet. So I'm not sure why we're doing this.
But other members of the council spoke up too, saying while Mary Hahn's death was tragic.
I do want to say that I think overall it's not a bad thing if the city imposes some costs on people who sue us, because I mean, it shouldn't be just a risk-free venture.
And this legal battle still isn't over. While city councilors debate it, Hahn's family is appealing this case to an even higher court. For Target 7, I'm Nancy Laughlin.
City attorneys say this is not the first time they've tried to recoup legal fees in cases the city has won in order to get taxpayer money back.